Hello everyone! Welcome to Life Hacks Daily, the place where you learn one small but super useful tip every single day. Before we start, take 1 second to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment to support the channel. Today, we're going to explore 10 simple tricks to keep your food fresher for longer and prevent spoilage. Let's get started! Portion meat and fish before freezing. Thaw only what you need, keeping the rest fresh. Use airtight glass containers. They don't absorb odors, helping food stay fresh. And maintain temperature well. Wrap vegetables with paper towels. They absorb moisture, keeping your greens crisp for days. Use vacuum-sealed zip bags. Removing air slows oxidation and reduces mold and bacteria growth. Place lemons or ginger in the fridge. They naturally reduce odors and help prevent mold. Keep fruits and vegetables separate. Ethylene gas from some fruits makes veggies wilt faster. Don't wash food before storing. Washing adds moisture, which speeds up spoilage. Wash right before using. Use baking soda to deodorize the fridge. A small box absorbs odors, keeping your fridge fresh and clean. Store eggs with the pointed end down. This helps keep the yolk centered and preserves the egg longer. Brush cut foods with a thin layer of oil. This prevents oxidation and stops them from turning brown. And that's it. Those are 10 super simple yet very useful tips to help your food stay fresh for longer. If you enjoyed this video and want more daily tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching Life Hacks Daily.